Boffman Tile entered the yard drain and foundation drain market when they made the high octane, the royal blue. And I have to give them a big shout out. Thank you, Boffman Tile, for doing so. The 8 slot that they have for their agricultural in the yellow, they use the same cutters for the high octane, and they have to slow everything down to remove that much material for that larger inlet in the Boffman high octane. So when you're a big powerhouse like Boffman Tile and you're running millions of feet per day, plural, millions of 4-inch pipe, and then you have to slow down production to make a yard drain pipe, I just have to give them a shout out. Thank you, Boffman Tile, for what you're doing for us. We really do appreciate it.
This week feels like it's gonna grind.
Yeah, well, sometimes they are.
Because we're getting later in the year.
Oh yeah, no, it's mid-season and we're feeling it. Okay.
When you get to the point where Monday feels like a grind.
Yeah, no doubt. Okay, so no spring on this thing, none. This is a cheap NDS pop-up, and they run these sales, and you think, oh, I'm getting this at a decent price, and then it don't have a spring. So what happens is your lawnmower chops that off. The lawnmower decks, they're designed to lift the grass. They create a vacuum, and they lift the grass, and then it cuts it off nice and flat. So if your lawn guy has good equipment, of course he's going to chop this off. It's not his fault. So I just wanted to point that out. Okay, so this hangs way over, resulting in leverage. So these shatter, they break, and if the lid don't break, the pipe breaks. And we couldn't really nail it down what was going on, but yeah, we figured it out. So another failed experiment for NDS. Sorry, guys. All right, so moving on. What are we using? We're using Polylock now, exclusively. So Polylock, you got the spring. So when the water pushes the cap, lets the water out, big outlet, monster outlet, and then the spring just retracts, snaps it back in place. Now check out the fit. Look at that. Look at that monster outlet. Look at that nice fit. So you can see the difference. Perfection, garbage. If you want to learn more about yard drainage, subscribe. If you're looking to have a yard drainage system installed in southeastern Michigan, give us a call. All right, guys. Until next time, let's all work hard to do it right the first time. We're going to keep it simple. You DIYers, stay tuned for more high octane.